Hello, 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 everybody. Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev. And I am excited. Look what finally came. My gosh. I think I'm the last one to get it. And in the meantime, everybody's done their videos and, everybody's seen everything everybody gets. And it's like, where's my box? What good does it do to have an annual thing if you don't get them until after everybody else, Every time I'd go online to check the tracking, it would say, in transit, or, some little emergency or something happened. And this is DHL that they're having it delivered out here because, we're way out here. They should have done it with the post office because I think DHL gets so few coming out this way that they put off till they have more. So week after week, I kept saying the same thing. Finally, I sent a message, where is my package? And it came the next day. So let's get started. Now, it's been so long, I don't remember what I ordered. Did you see my video last week? I did. And I ordered something and did not remember ordering it. Still don't remember. Okay, it says, pass this along to a friend. And here, if you want to join, sign up, there's a code you can use. And you can get $15 off. They've got the little book in here, which to most of us is useless because they used to have all the categories that we could pick from and what we could pick. Doesn't look like anything good in here. So, Fab Fit Fun, waste of money. Have you ever heard of the Paper Reduction Act? He's there when I worked for the government. All we had to keep on top of was the Paper Reduction Act. Recycle every bit of paper. Anyway, their usual stickers, which are always kind of fun. I should mention what's going on back here. Cute. On QVC today, which is Saturday. No, I'm doing this Saturday. You're seeing it tomorrow. So it'll be over, I think, by tomorrow. But it's QVC Fashion Day. And there's all kinds of products, like winter products in clearance, even some spring products in clearance and new spring products coming on. So, I got to keep it on. So here's the big top layer of goodies. Paper. Okay. And they always have these. Here's that little wine one. Here's Hello Fresh. All right, let's get started with this. This is one of the Sorbus Cosmetic Organizer cases. Now, I already had one of these at home, and I always have it, at home I have a regular table I can sit at to do my videos. Well, I brought the thing with me, and I had first put it on Bob's little nightstand. He goes, oh, what's that for, I said, well, I don't know where to put it, And he said, oh, okay. Well, then I thought, being he doesn't really want it there, so it's in the drawer. But all it has in it is my different lipsticks that I have gotten, some pens, stuff like that. And so it's just as easy to walk right here, a few steps in the bathroom, and put my lipstick on for these videos here. So as I do these, as I edit it, I'll try to put prices. Let's see. This is Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I don't remember ordering this. Let's see. I'll probably pass it on, though, in my giveaway that's coming up in the next few weeks. Here is a London Town Cuticle Cream. That will be a giveaway. Separate them. There's a cute little Winky Lux lip oil. I like lip oils, so this one I will be keeping. I don't know if I should open it yet. I won't be using it yet. I'd use it just for showing you, but I can take it out of the box. But it's cute. Look at the little gold thingies in there. Nice. Okay, keeping that. Now I know this I'll be keeping. This is the Josie Maron Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. I have used this stuff for several years. And they're a little pricey when you buy it, but it lasts me a year. And I use it every time I shower. Let me show you the whippedness. Let's see. Oh, it's got a cover. Just about out of my, it's going to be hard to open. Oh, somebody help me. Let's see. I can't get it open. Oh, maybe if I use the scissors. Where'd I put them? Scissors. Scissors. I never know where I'm going to find them. There they are. But I got to show you the whippiness of this. Yeah. Good scent. I haven't gotten this scent before. This is the sweet citrus, which is one of the scents that they had. Now, I've got one on the way from QVC that is my, I think, vanilla pear or something. I love that scent. Okay, well, I've got, it's got it all over my pants. Alrighty, let's look at this. Look at this. Look at the whip, 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 whip. Love this stuff. Let's set it there. Now I've got it all over me. See, I put it all over my legs, my feet, my arms, my neck after shower. Oh, yeah. Nice stuff. So, of course, that I'm keeping. And here is a Privé Revaux. Oh, I'm getting the box kind of marked up. Eyewear. I don't remember if it was sunglasses. Some of these things I cannot figure out what to pick out for myself, so I end up getting things for other people. And this one, yeah, these are sunglasses. Pretty, aren't they? See the gold? Now, they probably won't fit. Oh, no, they don't now. Yeah, see, they slip down. I have to wear them over my sunglasses, over my regular glasses. So I figured I'd give this to my daughter. Let's throw this garbage down here in the garbage. Then I got, this is the last item, this duffel bag. Now they had this before. Let's see what it looks like. I mean, I haven't seen mine for a while, and I got it back then. But being I didn't know what to choose. Okay, this one's different. Now, is it a different shape? Yeah, I think so. I think the one I got was a duffel, more like a duffel one. Any of you remember? Anyway, I figured I'd give one to my daughter. I don't need two, and I'd rather give her the duffel bag one. And I think I got the hat back then too that matches it. So I'm going to give that to her. So she gets the sunglasses, a duffel bag, and a hat. And I'll be seeing her the end of this month again because we'll be making our trip back up north to our house and spending the summer, well, and a spring, summer, early fall. I'll put that in my container I have for her. And I guess that's it. Paper. Okay, let's save this box. So I think that will fit under my rig. I'm having to start loading things up to start heading for home. I should take a picture with that. But anyway, that's it. I'll put up what I paid for. I paid yearly, so I think if you do it monthly, it's like $59 or something. They raise their prices, so I'm not sure what it is. But normally I really love their the things we have to choose from, but I wasn't as happy this time. What a mess. I'll be using this right away because I'm just about out of my jar I brought down here with me. So, the giveaway is just these two items and the items I picked out specifically for my daughter. I don't know if Michelle would want these or not, but if she wants these, she can have them. But I am keeping this one. So what am I keeping? Oh, I'm keeping the lip oil, this, the box. Okay, let's put that up there, that there. So what do you guys think? Maybe the summer box will be better. So comments below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a terrific weekend. I love you all. Bye.